Hey everyone, this is our cow mooing wireless car horn. It comes with one remote control. You can buy additional remotes if you want, but it does come with one remote control. I've got it facing down because it's a pretty loud car horn. Easy setup, guys. The black wire from your horn will go to a ground somewhere. It could be your battery, wherever you have a ground. Your red wire will go to a 12-volt power source. It could be your battery, it could be a fuse, or anywhere as long as you have a 12-volt power source. So this is our cow mooing wireless car horn.